Did you know that certain foods you consume daily could be waging war against your brain? We often think about food in terms of our physical health, but rarely do we consider the impact our diet has on our most vital organ, our brain. This unseen battle within our bodies can lead to detrimental conditions like mood disorders, memory loss, and cognitive decline. The food we eat is far more powerful than we realize. Prepare yourself to discover which everyday foods could be the culprits behind your brain's health decline. Welcome to Brain Hub. Stay with us through the entire video, where we'll explore healthier food alternatives to eat instead. First on our list, the sweet enemy that's hard to resist, sugar. We all have a soft spot for sweetness, don't we? But what we often overlook is the damage this sweet little thing can cause to our brains when consumed excessively. The brain, an organ that operates on glucose, can be severely affected by an overload of sugar. It's like feeding rocket fuel to a car. It's simply too much. The result? A sputtering, faltering engine struggling to function as it should. Excessive sugar intake can lead to cognitive decline. Imagine your brain's ability to think, learn, and remember gradually slipping away, all because of the sweet poison coursing through your veins. And it doesn't stop there. Memory loss is another casualty of the sugar trap. Our ability to recall information, to remember precious moments, can be compromised. The memories that make us who we are slowly eroding away, one sugar-laden treat at a time. Mood disorders are another dark side of sugar. Ever experienced a sugar crash? That sudden drop in energy, the mood swings, the irritability, that's your brain on sugar. It can even lead to anxiety and depression over time. The most chilling of all is the increased risk of dementia linked to high sugar intake. The thought of losing oneself, piece by piece, is a fear many of us share, and yet we continue to consume sugar in staggering amounts. But here's the real kicker. Sugar is not just in the obvious places like candies and cakes. It's hidden, lurking in the shadows of many processed foods. That healthy cereal you had for breakfast, check the label, the low-fat yogurt, it's probably there too. It's a stealthy enemy silently wreaking havoc on our brains. So the next time you reach for that sugary treat, remember what it might cost your brain. It's a choice. Momentary pleasure or long-term health. Choose wisely. Moving on, let's uncover the unseen danger lurking in our food, trans fats. You might be thinking, trans fats? They're just a type of fat, right? Well, there's more to it than meets the eye. Trans fats, also known as trans fatty acids, are a kind of unsaturated fat that are not only detrimental to your heart, but also pose a significant risk to your brain. They are found in plenty of processed and fast foods, from donuts and cookies to frozen pizza and microwave popcorn. Why are they harmful, you ask? Well, trans fats are known to impair brain function and memory. They affect the structure and flexibility of cell membranes in the brain, which can lead to difficulties in neurons sending signals. Imagine a highway full of traffic where cars are struggling to get to their destinations. That's how your brain feels when it's loaded with trans fats. Moreover, a diet high in trans fats can increase the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease, a progressive brain disorder, gradually destroys memory and thinking skills, and eventually the ability to carry out simple tasks. It's a terrifying reality that we all want to avoid. But how does it specifically link to trans fats? Well, research has shown that trans fats contribute to the production of harmful compounds called beta-amyloid plaques. These plaques build up in the brain and interfere with its normal function, which can lead to Alzheimer's disease. Now let's delve into the deceptive world of processed foods. Imagine this. You're strolling down a supermarket aisle and you're met with a colorful array of packages, all promising mouth-watering flavors and quick, easy meals. It's tempting, isn't it? The convenience of processed foods is undeniable, but beneath the shiny packaging and enticing marketing, there's a darker side to these products. One of the major concerns with processed foods is the high levels of artificial ingredients they contain. Preservatives, colorings, and flavorings may make your favorite snacks last longer and taste better, but they're far from being brain food. In fact, they could be doing more harm than good. These additives have been linked to a host of cognitive issues, from brain fog and memory problems to severe neurodevelopmental challenges in children. Let's take a closer look. Firstly, we have brain fog. It's that feeling when you're not quite on the ball, when your thoughts are murky and your concentration slips away. Some studies suggest that artificial ingredients in processed foods can contribute to this foggy feeling by disrupting the delicate balance of our brain chemistry. Next, let's discuss memory issues. Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you came in or struggled to remember a name or a date? These could be signs of memory decline, and guess what? Processed foods and their artificial additives might be partly to blame. These ingredients can interfere with the brain's communication pathways, leading to memory lapses and difficulties. Finally, we need to talk about the potential impact on our children. Some research suggests that the artificial ingredients in processed foods can contribute to neurodevelopmental problems in children. This means problems with learning, behavior, and overall brain development. Now that we've unmasked these harmful foods, it's time to discover healthier alternatives. Natural sweeteners like honey and stevia are ready to step in. Honey, in particular, is not just sweet, but also packed with antioxidants that can help protect your brain. Stevia, a plant-based sweetener, can satisfy your sweet tooth without the added calories or blood sugar spikes. Next, we enter the territory of fats. We've learned that trans fats are the villains here, hiding in plain sight in many of our favorite foods. But not all fats are created equal. There are heroes among them, like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These foods are rich in healthy fats, offering essential nutrients that support brain health. Avocados, for instance, are loaded with monounsaturated fats that can help lower bad cholesterol levels. Nuts are a powerhouse of nutrients, including antioxidants, fiber, and protein. Olive oil, a staple in Mediterranean diets, is known for its heart-healthy and brain-boosting properties. Finally, we tackle the deceptive world of processed foods. These products often conceal a hoard of unhealthy ingredients. However, the solution is simple and accessible: whole foods and homemade meals. By choosing whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, and vegetables, you're not only avoiding harmful additives, but also fueling your body with essential nutrients. Homemade meals allow you to control what goes into your food, ensuring you're nourishing your body and brain with quality ingredients. So, the power to protect your brain lies in your hands, or rather, on your plate. Remember, what you eat doesn't just feed your body, it fuels your brain. Choose wisely.